वायु प्रदूषण से हमें सांस लेने में कठिनाई होती है और इसका पूरा असर हमारे लंग्स पर पड़ता है। तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू 5 exercises that help to increase our lung capacity and excellent to breathe more. Let's get started, guys. Please sit in Dhyan Mudra. Close your eyes. Deep inhale. We'll chant Om. Release with a beautiful smile, guys. So first kriya is very easy kriya and highly effective kriya. It allows more oxygen, very good for increasing our lung capacity. This we call simple kriya. In this kriya, you're just increasing the speed of your breath while inhalation, exhalation. So keep your right hand on your chest, left hand on your stomach. Let's breathe. Eyes closed, feel the sense of relaxation. Feel your body from inside. And release. Inhalation means expansion, expand your body. Exhalation means contraction. We are contracting our body. It helps to clear all the accumulated toxins, guys. Now we'll do a second, a very important kriya. This we call Maha Kriya. It is excellent for our lung health. So guys, sit in Vajrasana. Interlock your hand close to our navel. Deep inhale. Come forward, forceful exhale. Head down. Very slowly come up. And release. Now we are going to do our Kapal Bhati. Kapal Bhati is excellent kriya. So in this kriya, we are going to place our hand on stomach. Exhale forcefully through your nose, navel pulling back to the spine. Let's do it together. Release. Now we are going to do Bhramri Kriya. You can sit in Sukhasana. Let's do the Bhramri Kriya. And release. Now we'll do one more kriya. This we call dive in kriya. It is excellent kriya, guys. It clears all the toxins from our body. In this kriya, you are going to hold your nostril, inhalation, exhalation inside. Let's clear all the toxins from our body. Inhale. Eyes closed. Just feel the amazing transformation. This is one of the best kriya, guys. इन क्रिया को ज़रूर करिए और अपने आप को हमेशा स्वस्थ रखिए, निरोग रखिए. हम आपको फिर मिलेंगे. धन्यवाद.